Kaden, you got the hiccups? Hiccup.
Early in the morning on January 24th, these young
Hey, little man.
short film were trying to find out if their dream would come true with an Oscar nomination.
Let's see the grip. Death grip.
The Oscars will continue with Michael Douglas and the cast of Bridesmaids.
I put a loaded gun in Doug's carrier. TSA is gonna rip his ass apart.
The 84th Annual Academy Awards on ABC, brought to you by